Welcome to the Compass Service Group, providing top quality services to our customers throughout the UK. Our voice and data sector connects you to a world of communication. Whether you need a fully structured wiring system or a more specific solution such as a data room installation, we'll meet your exact requirements. We're accredited installers for a number of manufacturers and provide installation warranties of up to 25 years. When it comes to fire and security, we provide safety for your home and business, from fire detection systems to CCTV, access control, intruder alert systems and personal protection, providing you with high quality service and equipment. And Compass Electrical is NIC EIC approved, carrying out a full range of electrical services for domestic, commercial and industrial customers, including installation of all types, infrared imagery, fixed wire testing and reporting, defect remedial work, data logging and portable appliance testing. Call today for full details. Compass Service Group, keeping you moving in the right direction.